Today we head out in the Freedom Willys. It's kind of tough to film in the rain, but we managed to get a few good shots and some pretty insane drone footage. We also stopped by a friend's shop and check out progress on one of his projects, so stay tuned. Well, wheeling wasn't all that exciting today, so we decided to come over and check out Darren's shop. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you might remember Darren. He came down and helped us out when we were in the off-road games. He also has a channel. It's called Mr. Modified. He's been busy getting his shop set up, and he's also been working on his project Chevy truck. Remember to go over and show Darren some love at Mr.Modified. Give him a subscribe and leave a comment on one of his videos telling him you came over from my channel. Speaking of follow, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Remember, I have merch available at adventuresaimless.com, and also check out some of my other videos right here. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to keep your adventures aimless.